You guys ever go to do a photo shoot and then realize, wait, I forgot to sew the labels into these shirts and shorts? But yes, that's just what happened today. I went to do the photo shoot for these awesome matching set that we actually silkscreen printed live right here on YouTube. You guys could watch the video. But yeah, so right now, I'm sewing the labels in. That's what's going down. What a funk. Also, just got this really dope mail from Stinky, guys. What a funk. Stinky socks collaboration dropping. I don't know, you gotta find out. Maybe it's by the time you watch it, it might be out, maybe. But yeah, these came out so sick. Really dope packaging, really dope socks, really comfortable. Wow. Yo, back at the studio. I got a couple photo shoots today for these new What a Funk trucker hats. Just hit Zumiez. Gonna make a big announcement for that really soon and tell you guys more about that soon. But got a photo shoot. Gonna finish sewing these inside labels into every single pair of shorts from the matching women's set that we made. This is one of my favorite sets that we've made, honestly. I'm really hyped on it. So just gotta finish sewing these and then it's ready to go. So I broke the needle because these shorts are pretty thick, so I gotta get another needle, and the bigger the number, the easier it is to go through the thicker fabric. So I don't even know, someone will probably tell me the right way to do it in the comments, because this is YouTube and you know, everybody knows everything, including me. I know everything. Actually, I don't know nothing. Don't believe me about nothing. Do a food review.
They gave me the wrong order.
After all that, you got the wrong order?
After all that? You don't know the reference. You don't watch basketball. You're not a real Knicks fan. Alright, here's what we got. Here's the haul from Taco Bell. I got the Doritos Locos Tacos Nacho Supreme, I guess. I think I got a Crunch Wrap. I ordered something else. Let's see. Crunch Wrap Supreme.
I think you're supposed to chew before you talk. What is the review?
Cheesy potatoes.
What did you
I got a drink. I got a drink too. Hold up.
Let's wait a second. There's people coming.
Just be you, bro.
It's good that it's like cloudy right now.
Honestly, when I was on my way and it was this cloudy, I was...
One more time, bro. I hit the wrong button. My bad. BTS of the BTS. Behind the scenes of the behind the scenes.
Exactly that.
And he's about to do the behind the scenes of the behind the scenes of the behind the scenes.
Yeah, you know it. Yeah, that's a good one, man.
Well, I'm dizzy as fuck. Yeah, bro, just go here. Do one thing, just one thing for me real quick. Hit the ramp, but go mad slow. Like that. Yeah, go mad slow so I can get you like that. And just go like, just do a little, you can do like little like here. You know what I'm saying?
All right, let's get it.
Something real light.
Like that.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's a way of life. Lifestyle. Say what the fuck or what a funk. On the scene, behind the scenes,
Every scene.
in the scene, we cutting scenes, we smoking greens.
Yeah, that's rapping verse. It's gonna be a good vlog this year, this week. It's gonna be a good vlog.
2026, what a funk. Summertime, baby. Here we are, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, another day to come over here and get serious on some another fucking.
This is the most I ever heard this guy talk, bro.
We out here shooting.
Pass him
We
the mic, bro.
tooting.
Give him the mic.
Yeah, give me the mic so we can get right. Yeah, you know what it is. Pass the pipe. Yeah. J.A. Savage, J Stacks, Albert De Niro. You know what it is. What a funk. 2026. If you ain't with us, you against us. And if you're against us, then just fuck off.
If you ain't shopping, don't be stopping.
And if you ain't shopping, don't be stopping. And if you cropping, you probably topping.
Ooh! He's saying buy the crop top. That's what he said. Buy the crop tops. Let's go.
Back at the studio.
So I'm transferring the files from this SD card to this computer, onto
crazy
this computer,
thing.
onto this flash drive, onto that computer, and he gave me files from that SD card onto that computer, onto this computer, which is going to my other computer. So we're just transferring files for like the last hour here.
Time to edit these videos and show the world what's been happening in this world. Whoa, space. Let's go to space, guys. 9 p.m., 9:30, whatever. Going through the photos that we took, editing them, getting them ready. Always a different day, different task. Like today, it's like yesterday, it's be a photographer, be a videographer, be a storyteller. Today, it's edit the photos, be an editor. Every day is a different job when doing your own thing. What a funk. You know, you have to know how to do many different things. And I love actually doing all these things. These are things that I actually really love and enjoy doing. I love being, like, taking pictures, putting my ideas into the world and trying to see, like I have, like, a vision of these, like, I have a vision of what I want these photo shoots to look like. And I try and, like, execute to that every time. And it always comes out great, and I always appreciate everybody who's a part of it.